We're in the Netherlands. All the way from Joyzy to Choisy. All right, good morning, Nub Nation. Before we jump into the vlog today, I wanted to make a heavy, one of the heaviest claims on the market. We brought it back, so just want to say thank you to everybody who bought the Ben Gravy Semi-Pro coffee. We brought it back, but this time it's ground. It's not the whole bean, so you don't have to worry about grinding it. It's back on the store, so thank you to everyone who purchased and everyone who's enjoying it. And I just want to say, this isn't just like one of those things where like, oh, Ben's making coffee, like whatever, I'm just putting coffee together because I can. This is world-class coffee, roasted in Red Bank, New Jersey at one of the top coffee roasters in the country. This is an actual, factual dream come true. So just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported this project. And if you're enjoying it, yep, we're back with some ground coffee. Other than that, we'll see you in Europe.
Simon! Simon! Come on, bro.
We're gonna miss it. This is our technique. Get croissants for the whole day.
Oh, what are these little things?
Those are the baby ones.
Oh.
Stop bitching and just eat something. Yeah, wow.
I was just baffled they had small ones.
Oh, you're gonna eat all the good ones. That skimboard looks an awful lot like that croissant. Flat and useless.
A little soggy when you leave in the car. Norway. Netherlands.
Made it. We're in the Netherlands. Heavy claims. 2.5 miles from the beach.
Oh, well, this is another sign too. Yeah, I don't know what this is.
Retrenchment?
Retrenchment.
I think the waves are gonna be better, dude. Whoa. Whoa, I did not expect this to look like this. I don't know what I expected, but how do we get there? I'm lost. We're in the Netherlands, dude. I found it. This is unbelievable. Yeah. Wait. Never mind. Oh, that's pretty cool. We made it. Oh my gosh. Look at this set. Dude, that is a bomb. It's like Atlantic City out there, dude. Right? Yo, have you heard of Atlantic City?
Atlantic City?
Yeah.
Never.
No. What do you know about in the US?
Atlantic, that's like under the ocean. It's like this.
Oh, Atlantis.
Atlantis.
What about, what have you, Philadelphia? No?
Cheese?
New York?
Yeah.
New York. The Jersey Shore.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That
Wow.
was really
And then you said Lake Tahoe.
good. Yeah.
That's crazy. What do you think the three most famous things in the US are to you?
Monument Valley.
Monument.
For me, eh?
Monument Valley. What is that?
From Once Upon a Time in the West. Like
Okay.
The winds making
Yeah.
like sculptures and stones.
Okay.
And Las Vegas,
Okay.
New York, Las Vegas, and LA.
Okay. Yeah. That makes sense.
But I'm not representative for everyone. Eh?
Yeah, I get it. For you though, you are, right?
I've been there.
Do you represent yourself or no?
I represent
Okay.
myself fully.
All right.
100%.
We are going surfing in the Netherlands. It's on. claim?
Seaman, our boy, was telling us that this is the biggest day they've had all year.
Yeah,
And
well,
he only ever sees 2 people in the water.
the one guy out there was saying this is the best swell of the whole summer so far. And we made it, dude.
Swell of the century.
That's crazy. 50-year storm. Netherlands. Netherlands absolutely went off. It was like chest high at one point. We showed up, it was flat. It pushed in like chest high. There was rights everywhere, wedges, firing, and tide came up. Now it's flat again. Squad showed up. We're off to Switzerland. For the dream, dude. Never in my life have I done 2 countries in one day. Absolutely stoked. The quest to surf all the countries in the world is truly underway. And Belgium, Netherlands, check. We did it. Woo! JT filmed every country in the world.
Not quite yet.
All right, let's go. We did it. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. I'm gonna follow you on Instagram. And later, man.
Get a big shout out. Big shout out to Arthur Stevens, greatest man alive.
Yeah, dude. All right, thank you very much.
Right,
nice to meet you. Have a good one. All right. We go off to Switzerland. We go. Traveling's crazy, dude. We make a friend a day, at least. At least one friend every day, maybe 10, maybe 20.
And a parking ticket.
Oh, 75 euros, dude.
75 euros.
That's a heater, dude.
That's like
What's wrong with these guys?
That's our hotel tonight.
And then yeah, I know, we're staying in the car now. And then these guys are gonna be like, yo, why were you in Netherlands? You rented this car in Germany. And I'll be like, that wasn't me. They had the license plate wrong. Happens. I'm just not gonna eat. If I don't have to buy you lunch again today.
Ooh.
What?
Alright, AdBlue warning. Big AdBlue warning. Right here, pump it.
Yeah, what do you mean? It's just free?
I doubt it.
Oh.
No, not in there. Not
What am I doing? Oh my god,
God.
dude, what am I doing? Situation is $200 max. Okay, situation is we've just been driving and this alarm started going off saying AdBlue, AdBlue, AdBlue. I'm like, okay, I'm not putting windshield wiper fluid in this car. So then all of a sudden, a couple hours later, this new thing comes on, AdBlue, or your car's not gonna start. And I'm just thinking, what? So then I asked JT about it because he's a big moto guy. And apparently if you drive diesel, you have to put not only diesel, you gotta put AdBlue in it. or your car's not gonna drive. And they said it's gonna go into limp mode and just shut off if we don't put this in. So looks like the warning might have already gone off, but this is France, people. So I whipped that out.
Get like a towel going, because I almost put the AdBlue in.
Yeah, grab me a paper towel.
Oh, whoa. Editor. Yo. Yo, I'm trying to clean the windows and the wipers keep fighting me. New Choizy.
All the way from Choizy, all the way from Joyzy to Choizy. The Choizy Shore. Oh boy. Oh buddy. Oh buddy. Where's these buttons? Oh buddy. Where's your bed? Where's your bed, dude? They took away the bunk bed, dude.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that is not it. That's the shower?
There's no toilet.
What do you mean? It's in there.
Oh.
Unreal.
Yeah, this is not our room. We got the triple bunk. This is not the triple bunk.
We booked a room with 3 bunk beds, but here we are. All right, as we come to the end of another video, you may have noticed I'm not currently in the Netherlands, but I also did not have a video to end this vlog. So all I would like to say is that, and if you can tell, my voice is a little raspy right now because I just spent the past 10 hours emceeing at Red Bull Flugtag here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I am treating myself to some Nutella gelato, preparing for an upcoming trip to Italy because it's my wife's dream to go to Italy. But here we are in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the vlogs. It's been a wild year coming off my collarbone injury, and like there was a certain point when I really didn't know if I was going to be able to get back in the swing of things and like continue this career. I know it probably didn't seem that heavy from the outside, but to me, inside my head, when I was laying on my couch with a broken collarbone, it was this side. That's where my mind was. But I've had such an amazing run from Alaska to Florida was awesome. Alaska, and then coming home and just doing like some ferry waves and different stuff. And then here today, I was just at Flugtag just thinking like how grateful I am for everything that I've been able to do in this life. That has a lot to do with the Nub Nation. So I just want to end this video by saying thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I also want to let the Groms know that anything that you want to do in life is truly possible. And I truly believe that I'm living proof of that concept. I decided to get sober. I set my mind to a goal, and here we are. I've been able to live my dream for the past 5 years. Don't get me wrong, it's really, really hard work, but somehow we're pulling it off. And I know I haven't even bit this, so it's not even like satisfactory. But
mine's melting.
My claim is thank you for all the support. If you like the vlogs, please leave a like down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More dreams on the way. See you next video for the dream.